Alright, so I want to do a very quick video. For those of you that have a Mustang 94 to 04, you know what I'm talking about here. So you have these side mirrors, and these are the original mirrors that came on my 98 Saleen sitting there. And I just recently changed them out for Cobra mirrors. Well, unfortunately, I bowled them right up and they had the infamous shake. So what would happen, I'd get going on the road and the mirrors would just start shaking like this right here. So it's very simple to fix it. It's just a little intimidating for people that don't know. The back of the mirror has this little piece of rubber like this right here. So this little piece of rubber fits on the back like this, and the mirror just snaps into place. Let me show you what it looks like, just because it's a little intimidating, like I say, for people who don't know. So the mirror stays on the car, and this is what it looks like. Mine came from overseas, so just to give you an idea. But this right here is where it snaps into, and I'll clean this up before I put it back together. But basically, the mirror just goes on here. It's got these little clips right there, see them? And they just snap onto this. Well, in between here is this rubber gasket. Well, as you can tell, mine is not only deteriorated, there's pieces of it missing. And when I took it off, pieces like literally fell on the ground. You can see right here in the corner, there's like a little piece there still attached. Matter of fact, here's some pieces laying on the ground. What happens, it deteriorates, it, falls apart basically, and then the mirror has nothing to keep it tight. So that's what causes it to shake and rattle and roll like this. So a fix is to go in here, and there's people to do it different ways, but you just basically put a cushion in between. When you snap it back into place, it keeps the mirror from shaking. Now what I'm doing, because I have my old mirrors, is I'm actually gonna just pop this mirror off and take the rubber gasket that's in here out, put it in here to replace this one. And also while I'm in here, I'm gonna take a little dab of silicone and put on it, and then we're good to go. I know it's gonna work because I've already done the other side. Went out for a test drive a while ago, and it was good to go fixed. So anyway, very quick video just to show you how it works. Again, don't be intimidated, all you need is a screwdriver. You basically just take the mirror, you go in here, you push it all the way over to one side, like so you can get down in here. You just push a little screwdriver in here, pop the clips off around, and pull it right off. Some people just say to grab it and pull it, but because they're old and kind of brittle, I use a screwdriver, and just basically you go in here like so, and you just work your screwdriver in here, and you pull up on these clips like that, and you can pull it right off. So real simple, good to go. Hope this is helpful for those that don't know how to do it. Again, easy peasy, fix it in just a couple minutes. Just because all is important, I just popped this one off. Like I say, real easy to do. This is my Cobra mirror. This is my GT mirror. This is the piece that was in my Cobra mirror. See how it's all deteriorated real small. This is the one still in the GT mirror. See how much bigger it is? It actually fits in there really tight. It's got a lot of cushion to it. This one's really brittle and moving around. So that's how they're supposed to be. My GT mirrors are really tight. They didn't rattle at a bit. You can see in there, it's really clean. The rubber looks really good. This one wasn't over in like Saudi Arabia or wherever those mirrors came from. I forgot where the guy was. I got him off Instagram. But so basically just go in here and you just work this out. And I'll probably use my screwdriver. Let's see. Yeah, pull it right out. Up, starting to tear on the other side. Yeah, I need to go with my screwdriver and pull it this way out. Anyway, pull that out, put it in here. I always use a couple of dabs of silicone on there, press it down, good to go.